Hi, my name is Michael, and a while back I took some bad advice from somebody and I ended up in bankruptcy. Well, my trustee, he recommended I use Credit Slab to rebuild my credit rating. Well, I went and checked them out. Now it's been about 14 months now, and I have my tablet and I'm watching my credit score go up a little bit all the time, and I'm able to get loans now for cars, and I just applied for a new mortgage and got it. Anyhow, I'm very thankful for Credit Slab and just want to say thank you. And if you're wanting to rebuild your credit, I highly recommend you take a look at Credit Slab and check them out.